My name's John Funnell, and I'm standing for Mayor in the Taupo district. Fixing the problems facing Taupo, firstly by introducing a rates cap linked to inflation. I will use my business background to control expenditure while focusing on council's core essentials, roads, rubbish and water. Additionally, we do need more transparency at the council, ensuring information is made available to the public prior to any policy change. I see the problems facing Taupo and have solutions for them. I have a track record of success in business. This is important if we're going to keep rate increases low. The district is growing and we need to ensure council services are provided timely, efficiently and cost effectively. Growing the town and making it a safe and great place to live is what we all want. I need your vote. If you want change, vote Funnell for Mayor.